Txmmy on the beat.
Hello. We are in a park in Ireland, like looks like a forest.
What? No, it is a forest.
This is a forest.
This is a forest.
Okay, it's incredible.
It's called Barna Woods because this area is Barna. Yeah, how do you call?
Moss.
Yeah, the moss.
The moss is around the trees,
Yeah, in every tree there's a lot of moss.
in the rocks.
In the rocks, like this rock, for example.
All the moss, the main branch of the tree.
And the countryside in Ireland.
So beautiful.
Oh, there's a little house there. Or they made it for the children or something like that.
It's like a monkey. And I got to see other one. Non-stop.
Non-stop English. There you have the sun, so you want.
Bye bye. We are in our way to find the beach.
Yeah, beautiful beach.
This wall, it's amazing.
But yeah, it's completely flooded, or there's no water at all. You know, you can cross the bay. Almost every day the same clothes. Not the same underpants. Okay, so I'm thinking of having a swim in the North Atlantic Ocean. So it's going to be very cold, but I have a lot of jackets for later. I have a towel, so it would be I'm going in and then I'm going out.
I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait here. I'm going to see Samba really soon, and I'm so happy. Wow, you are so fucking... Yeah, but... So Alvaro has bathed. Yes,
Swim,
bathed.
and very fast I put on all of the clothes, you know.
But you know, we would... See that? This is a... What is the name of gusano?
Very.
I wanted to record that sun in the mountain, but it's not a problem.
Now we're going to that way, and let's see what can we find there.
Maybe
I mean,
it's a castle.
but we're going to see the sea, you know, because this is a mix of water from the rivers and water
Okay.
from the sea. You know, so from the rivers and from the sea. But now we're going to the sea, the North Atlantic Sea, Galway Bay.